Hello students of class 10th students. Today we will discuss about a poem Dust of Snow. So first we will know about some points. Robert Frost was an American poet. His work was initially it means in the beginning, published in England before it was published in America, and he was awarded the Congressional Gold Medal in 1960 and for his poetic work. On July 22, 1961, Frost was named Poet Laureate of Vermont. It means a poet who officially appointed by the government place. So, students, let's we start the introduction of this poem. The poem Dust of Snow. It is composed by Robert Frost that and reiterate that the little things in life can make huge changes in our future. It means the little things in life can make huge. It means changes, big changes in our future. It means in coming time. And it also shows that if we can take the hard times of life in stride, eventually something will happen to change our situation into happier times. It also shows that if we face all difficulties with confidence and something has changed in our life, which comes happiness in our life. So students, we will discuss the lines of the poem, and there is the first stanza. The way a crow shocked down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. It means, students, one day the poet is upset and he is sitting under a hemlock tree. Suddenly a crow comes and sit on the tree, on the hemlock tree. It started to shake the tree, and some particles of snow from trees falls on the poet. So the poet feels has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. It means, student, the poet feels the soft and cold touch of snow, which changes the poet's mood, sad to happy. It means he becomes happy and he starts feeling soothed and fresh. So, in this way, a simple moment proves to be very significant and saves the rest of the day of the poet from being wasted and regret. So, students, the poet is upset in the beginning of them, but a small incident of falling of snow changes his mood, and from this activity poet knows the importance of time in his life and feels relaxed and thankful to the nature for saving his day. So students, I hope you have listened this carefully and understood also, and with this there is the literary device. There are two, one rhyme scheme and second is alliteration. Rhyme scheme is the way a crow. It means a in last of the line. Shock down on me. It means sound has come B. The dust of snow. O. It means a. From a hemlock tree. It means sound has come B. So rhyme scheme is comes AB AB. Okay, students.